Okay, this is Sebastian from PromoTix, and in this video I am going to show you how to print a receipt for a PromoTix order. Here I have an Epson printer connected via USB cable, and the laptop I'm using is a Windows 11 PC. So once you have this all connected and you have your PromoTix account pulled up using a web browser, you can click on an event and then click on the Orders tab in the left navigation. And then for most orders that have been processed on the event, you can click on the Actions button, and then there is a new action called Print Receipt. So click that, and that's going to load up the print job for the computer. And here you can adjust some settings, and then once you are ready, click on Print. And there you go. So you can see that not only the receipt information is on here, but also the ticket QR codes for the order as well. So that is how to print a receipt for an existing order. But also using the point of sale system if you place a new order. So this is using the Sell Tickets tab in the left navigation. So if you create a new order and then process it, on the success screen that loads, there is a new button titled Print Receipt, and if you click on that, then you can immediately print a receipt for the order that you just processed. And that's it.